We are now at the Mud Volcanoes in Buzău. You have an unusual formation of mud volcanoes here. They pop in from the ground, they release gas and mud in the same time. So you have this lunar landscape, deserted landscape. We are now in Ploiești and we are going to see the Mud Volcanoes in Buzău. We're gonna drive there and then see how the mud volcanoes look like. They should be muddy.
It will be extra muddy because of the rain.
Oh yeah, it just rained now. We're gonna get going now on the way to Buzău. We finally reached the Mud Volcanoes. It's a little bit muddy here. It looks like a deserted place on the moon.
I am expecting to be more muddy, but it's just very dry. And there are some spots which are muddy.
You have an unusual formation of mud volcanoes here. They pop in from the ground, they release gas and mud in the same time. So you have this lunar landscape, deserted landscape. There are actually two mud volcanoes close by to each other. Let's see if we can find the other one. Should be here on top of this hill. We're just roaming around the second mud volcano area, and it seems that there are more volcanoes here than in the first one. They are also bigger here than in the first area. very unique and very beautiful here in the Mud Volcanoes, Buzău County of Romania. It has been a nice day out here in Buzău at the Mud Volcanoes.
We're now leaving the Mud Volcano and on to our next destination.
We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks and see you on the next one.